Sorry guys, I'm so busy in my exams so that I did not went to here. Okay, now my topic is insurance claims. Insurance claims, there are two types of questions: loss of stock and loss of profit. And loss of stock I will make another video. In practice manner there are like 10 questions. I will explain all these questions very easily and fastly. Okay, now we're going to the step 7. 7 steps to calculate the loss of profit. Okay, now going to step 1. Gross profit of last year. I mean like this last year's reminded. Gross profit of last year is equal to net profit of previous year plus insured standing charges of current year divided by turnover of previous year. Okay, it's nothing much here. Just remind the formula. Turnover means nothing but total sales. Now you have to adjust the sales plus trend or minus trend. You will get the gross profit of current year. After adjusting the trend, you will get the gross profit of current year. Now going to step 2. Start short sales. Short sales is nothing but indemnity period. You know that. If the fire accident is occurred on 1st January 2017 and indemnity period will be given as 6 months. Indemnity period is given as 6 months. That is that from here to you will add 6 months. That is up to 31/5/2017 previous year. Now we have to take for calculating short sales previous year indemnity period sales. That is if the fire accident is occurred on 1st January 2017. Now we will take as 1 January 2016 to the same period. Exactly the years will change. Now adjust the sales after adjusting that you will get the estimated sales of the current year. That is if the accident is not happened, this will be the actual sales. But as the accident is happening, you will get the actual sales, that is current year indemnity period sales given in the question. It will be reduced from the estimated sales so that you will get the short sales. By this you will complete the step 2. Step 3. Step 3 is nothing but calculating of multiplication of 1 into 2. Step 1 is short sales into gross profit ratio is nothing but loss of profit. Now going to step 4. Step 4 is like somewhat. See, if the accident happened on 1st January 2017, is accident happened, now you have to go just 12 months immediately preceding 12 months. That is 1/1/2016 to 31/12/2016. That is turnover of previous year preceding immediately 12 months from the date of accident. That is you have to adjust the trend here and you will get the adjusted turnover. And after adjusting the turnover, step 5. Step 5 is nothing but as step 3. Gross profit of 1 into 4. Gross profit and adjusted turnover. This is known as insuperable amount and it will be used in the final claim problem. The last you will use it, step 5. And it will be used in step 6 also. Actual expenses it will be given in the question in step 6. And gross profit, there are 3 types. It will be given in reduced sales is given. You will first priority reduced sales. If reduced sales is not given, then it will be taken as sales due to the additional expenses. If it is also not given, then you have to go to sales in indemnity period. Okay, on these 3 just remind the order, and on this you have to do gross profit. And after the step C, expenditure, actual expenses into step 5. It is nothing but gross profit and adjusted turnover by gross profit and adjusted turnover plus uninsured standing charges. It is given in the question only, or else you can find as it will be given as total insured charges. Total insured charges minus insured standing charges is nothing but uninsured standing charges. You will find it very easily here. List of the 3 will be taken as step 6. Okay, then going to step 7. Total loss of profit. Total loss of profit. Loss of profit. It is given in step 4. And okay, then in step 6 we will get a increase in cost of working, and it is you know that it is the least of the 3. Savings in insured standing charges of the current year is reduced from here, and you will get the total loss of profit. Let it be taken as A. Now claim is equal to, claim is nothing but sum insured by insurable amount into total loss. It is given in the question sum insured, and it is total loss just found in step 7, and this is step 5. So I said gross profit on adjusted turnover. Okay, here is my tip: small into small my big. This is just simple tip here. You will be, if you have any confusion in the question, it will be just remember that big will be always in the denominator, so that you can do actually the claim very easily. Okay, now I am giving a PDF in the description below. From now onwards I am going to make a simple video that is like 7 to 8 minutes on every video, every subject. It's just simple tips I will give in. It may be useful. I know after doing all these sums you will be mastered, but there are some new ones now. They don't want to go to college or something like that. They may have some personal problem. They will be helpful. If my video is helpful to anyone, I will be very grateful here. Thanks for watching.